In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check rendering status in Renderforest. If you've just created or updated a video and hit render, it's natural to wonder where things stand. Renderforest makes it simple to keep an eye on your progress, and in this walkthrough I'll show you exactly where to look so you always know what's happening in real time. First, log into Renderforest. Use the same account where your project was created so everything appears as expected. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard, and from here you can quickly get to the two places that display your rendering status. Let's start with your Projects area. On the left side of the screen, click Projects. This section lists all of your saved projects, including videos you're currently working on and anything you've rendered before. Each project appears as a tile or row with its title and thumbnail, and this is where Renderforest shows your live rendering progress. If one of your projects is rendering, you'll see a progress bar right there in the Projects section. It typically appears beneath the project's name or thumbnail and fills up as the render advances. This is your at-a-glance indicator, so you can tell in seconds whether the render has just started, is midway through, or is nearly complete. If you don't see a progress bar in this view, it usually means there isn't an active render for that particular project at the moment. There's also another place to check, which is especially helpful if you manage multiple exports or want a consolidated view of outcomes. Go to My Files, then choose Exports. The Exports page gathers the results of your renders in one spot. Here you'll find entries associated with your projects, often showing the format or resolution you've selected. When a render is in progress, this area will reflect that status so you can monitor it without searching through individual projects. It's a clean way to confirm what's processing and what's already finished, particularly if you've exported several versions. That's it, two straightforward views that cover everything you need. Log in, check the Projects section for the built-in progress bar, and if you want a centralized list of outcomes, open My Files and head to Exports. These views update as your video processes, so you can keep working while Renderforest handles the heavy lifting. When the progress bar completes and the status updates, your export will be ready to preview, download, or share, according to the options available on your plan.